Hey everyone, I'm Harshavardhan from India and you're watching Harsh and Claudia Essential Hacks. Today we are going to deseed a pomegranate in the fastest and most efficient way possible. So let's get started. The ingredients and tools needed are a chopping board, a bowl and a ladle, a knife and finally a pomegranate. So first let's grab the pomegranate and keep it on the chopping board and cut it into half. Let's keep the cutting board aside and grab a bowl and place it here. And let's just grab one half of our pomegranate and hold it between our thumb and the index finger. You can use your middle finger for an extra grip and support, just like this. And start pressing or give a gentle pressure on the pomegranate. Make sure that it is not too much, just like that. And let's just grab a ladle and using the back side of our ladle, let's start gently tapping our pomegranate just like this. And gently rotate the pomegranate and tap. You can now notice the seeds begin to fall out like that, nice and easy. And when you do this, make sure that you apply the pressure consistently and keep rotating the pomegranate so that you can tap on different places of the pomegranate. And now we have cleared all the seeds from our pomegranate. Let's now repeat the same process on the next half. Now this tapping process should take you less than 30 seconds to a minute. And now the last part is we can pick off the unwanted pieces like this. This should be fairly easy. And let's keep that aside. Now try this technique by yourself and you will be amazed to know how simple and easy it is to deseed a pomegranate. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.